What exactly is R-454B refrigerant, and why does it matter for your home's HVAC? Hi there, I'm Dickey, Product Manager for Heat Pumps at Carrier. R-454B, also known as Puron Advance, is one of the new refrigerants replacing R-410A in residential and light commercial heating and cooling systems. It's actually a blend of two refrigerants. This combination is carefully formulated to provide the same dependable cooling performance you expect while greatly reducing environmental impact. One of the key ways it does this is through a lower GWP. The GWP number measures how much heat a gas traps in the atmosphere compared to carbon dioxide. R-410A has a GWP of 2088. Meanwhile, R-454B has a GWP of just 466. That's nearly an 80% reduction, a huge step forward in reducing greenhouse gas emissions from HVAC systems. And because it still delivers excellent efficiency, you don't have to choose between comfort and sustainability. Beyond environmental benefits, R-454B is also designed with long-term reliability in mind. Its blended composition allows for efficient heat transfer, helping systems operate smoothly while maintaining high performance levels over time. R-454B is a part of the HVAC industry shift towards refrigerants with lower environmental impact, aligning with global and US regulations. Here's what it means for you. It means a lower carbon footprint compared to older refrigerants and energy efficiency performance to help manage utility cost. By choosing a system with R-454B refrigerant, you're not just upgrading your home comfort, you're making a more sustainable choice for the planet. If you'd like to learn more about R-454B refrigerant or have a Carrier system with Puron Advance installed in your home, contact your local Carrier dealer today.